or map sheets or any of these type of physical assets that have been associated with this bridge. In this case, they're JPEG digital photographs from under the bridge, over the bridge, along the bridge that are instantly retrievable once we get to this bridge record. Next slide. Some of the features with eDocs are things pictured here in the red boxes. We can jump to any page of this list of assets. In this case, we're looking at land corners, a list of all the surveyed land corners in a particular county. And when any one of those links is picked, details about that specific corner and information that may be associated with it, pictures, field drawings, whatever, will be available. On the left, then, we can also select, instantly go to other types of assets. Go ahead, Josh. Down at the bottom there, whenever there's a scanned image or a scanned drawing or perhaps an AutoCAD file or some digital information associated with the record, there will be links down at the bottom of the page that allow you to instantly display those. And of course, all of these viewers used to display these scans have pan zoom capabilities. So we have found that once these documents are scanned and presented in this format, they actually have better, equal or better resolution and detail than if they were just paper sitting on your desk, because we can enhance the contrast and brightness, because you can zoom in, and because all of the detail, because we scan these things at high resolution, all of the detail, whether it's pencil drawings or pencil lettering or whatever, is preserved in amazing and detail. Next screen. Again, this is the search tool here that basically provides you with 3 tools. Depending on the type of user in your organization, they may want to use one of these different 3 search tools. The top one is the simple search, which basically just says which area do you want to find. In this case, the user wanted township, range, and section displayed there. You could have anything, any type of area of interest to you. Then they just clicked off the type of asset they wanted to view in that area, hit search, and it would give them a list of the assets meeting that criteria. The middle search is a key field search. So, for example, in this screen, it shows bridges is the field, the FHWA number is the field in the bridges database that the user wants to search on. They can just type in a relevant value for that field, and any bridges that match that value will be displayed. All of these searches are very powerful in the sense that they search throughout the entire database. If Bob Jones was typed in that search box, any record with Bob and or Jones would be displayed in the hit list. And then the bottom search there is the advanced search that allows the user to burrow into the data with a little more specificity, and I think we'll see that a little later. Okay, next screen. Again, this is an example of the results of a search. They indicated they wanted to find all the bridges, all the culverts, and all the section corners. It displays hot links to each of the assets that met the criteria. Any of those can be clicked on, and then the details about that asset, along with any scanned maps, pictures, or CAD drawings, for example, would be instantly available. Go ahead. In this case, we've clicked on one of the plats listed, and we can see this is Phil Miller's or somebody Miller's plat. Nobody entered a legal description, which is why that is blank, but the actual plat document scan is available in that link down at the bottom. Now, this is actually an important thing, and one of the reasons why our clients have appreciated this is there is no legal description typed in there. The only way it would have arrived there is if somebody typed it off of that original scanned plat document. But what I tell our clients is, unless you've got the money to do that, or there's some other value in reproducing that written information into a digital form, why waste your time doing it? If we've got a scan of the original plat document, we can just as easily pull up that scan and read the legal description. You don't need to pay me or somebody else to recreate that legal description in a different form, as long as we have that original document. That's what makes this so nice. The original documents are always there. Because they're there, you can save money by not having to reproduce every bit of information that's packed on those original documents. Okay, next. Now, so we've just seen the first way of accessing all this information via search, textual searches, lists, etc., database. But all the exact same information is available in an ArcIMS or similar browser window. A map of whatever you have, lines, orthos, color, black and white, whatever it is displayed, and all of the data we digitize all has a geospatial reference to it. And so each of the layers, bridges, plats, railroad drawings, pavement designs, etc., are all just become layers that you can turn off and on. And using that hot link tool in ArcIMS that we've designed, you just simply click on one of the assets, in this case a road sign, and that same information you saw earlier will pop up to show you all the details about a particular road sign, as you see on the right there, including sign history. Next screen. This is all nice for viewing your data, but most organizations continue to create new data. So you need a way to change the existing data if it needs to be changed, and to continually add new assets to the database, whether they're paper or digital. So we provide this ArcGIS extension that is just a very sophisticated but simple tool that you just add into your ArcMap. Arc 9 or 9.2 or later will work fine. It's Arc Objects. It allows you to basically add new scans or other digital files into your eDocs GIS and attribute those features, describe what they are, and enter the information that's necessary. Next screen. When you're using this tool, you have the flexibility of working with it in two different forms just by clicking on this radio button you see, either in list form or in like Excel form, table form on the right, where you've got rows and columns where each row is every record, in this case road sign history event, and every column is those attributes or those fields that are important to describe that history event. Okay, next. A couple simple tools. When you're entering data, sometimes it's nice to be able to click a button and zoom on the map to that particular record. Other times you can import a list of features into this table. Instead of hand typing 500 road sign information, you might already have that in an Access database. You can export that and then bring that into this. If when you do that, those